Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm out in my woods, getting ready to drop this 50-foot tall or so standing dead oak tree, and guess who I got with me? Ashton. This is going to be her very first tree that she drops. I wanted to start her on that one right there, but she said she said no. So yeah. Oh, and Ashton, why don't you show them what you're wearing? Stand up. Look at that. Chat.
Snow pants.
Feels like snow pants, she says. You know. So, but you can see it covers up 90%. So all you safety police, zip it, because she's got her headphones. I thought about having to wear my helmet, but that's just too much, right, Ashton?
Yeah, no, I don't need that.
She don't need it. So I guess you know, I showed her what to do on this little hickory. You know, you guys know I'm an expert in dropping trees, so I think she's all set. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the way, Ashton. This is your big moment to shine. All your fans are counting on you.
Yeah. Pressure's on.
That's right. Power gas, you know, gas powered chainsaw. Nathan's counting on you to do this. Feel that power.
Oh yeah. Ah.
Might have to go all the way down with it.
Okay.
Because it could have got cold. Or you gotta, here, now try it. Come on. All right, guys, keep your fingers crossed. Perfect. Now mark it so you know where to come above. Okay. So now go above that. A little bit higher, yeah. Right about there. Get back. Boom! She did it! She did it! Everybody, standing ovation for Ashton. How's that feel, Ashton?
That was a lot of fun. I like that.
See, there's a lot of guys looking for loggers up in the Yukon.
Oh, yeah.
You ready? Sign you up?
I'm a criminologist.
You're gonna be a criminologist? Okay. Well, you could do this on the weekend, you know. You know, Sarah, my niece, your best friend, she's not interested in the firewood business, and you know, I need to leave it to somebody. You know, if I left it to you, I think you could handle it, and you'd start out with a $50,000 a year job.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be bad. What do you think, guys? Should Ashton take over Joe's Premium Firewood? I could will it to her. We'll see. Well, that was all fun and games, but Ashton's got some ash to split, and we're gonna get her on that. So everybody, leave in the comments, tell her what a good job she did. Look at that, there's the notch. That's not too bad. I'm sure everybody's gonna say that it's better than mine, so we'll see.
It is.
All right, we're out of here. Bye, Ashton.
Bye.